Hi, I am Eva Chen, a senior international sales from FoodChem. I've worked in international trade for 13 years, specializing in food and feed ingredients, and work with clients to provide the right solutions. Foodmate, founded in 2012, and the production bases in Jiangxi province. It produces 6,000 tons of gelatin annually, with a total capacity of 18,000 tons, offering 200 plus ingredients for soft capsules, meat, and candies. Its products reach 60 plus countries, with warehouses in the US and Belgium. Our high-quality gelatin is composed of 85% animal protein, combined with 13% water and 2% minerals. It contains 8 essential amino acids, delivering a product that is both nutritious and versatile. It is tailored for diverse applications such as marshmallow, soft candy, nougat, dairy products, beberages, meat products, baking, pharmaceuticals. Choose our gelatin for superior performance and reliability in your food and industrial applications.